Our kid's 7 weeks old, so it's been God knows how long since I started and drove her. So I'm gonna go get coffee and we're gonna take her out. Let's get a cold start. He's always thirsty. I remember when I used to be able to take in this view while pumping gas. Well, the joys of owning an FF, you gotta hold the foreskin back on the pump to keep it going. Let's see how much gas we have to put in today. I haven't driven her in a while, so she's been pretty empty, just sitting in the garage. Gotta love California vapor lock.